You are welcome to our channel again. In today's video, we want to train you on how to add new business and set up business details in manager.io. If you want to add new business, you come to this interface where you will see add business. When you click on add business, it will take you to create new business and import business. If you are creating new business newly, you will use create new business. If you have a backup that you want to install, that you want to continue with the backup, you are going to use import business. When I click import business, it will take you to where you will browse and import the backup that you have, the file of backup that you have on your desktop or on your device. When you click browse like this, it will take you to the location on your system where you will pick the backup and you import. When you import, it will be stated there directly as you do the backup. So therefore, we are going to cancel this one now and go to the new business, that is to create new business. When you click create new business, it will come to this interface where you will have to enter business name. So here, let us enter new business name. Insight company. So the new business name that we want to enter now is Insight Company. So we create new business. When you create it, it will create new business for you. This is a brand new business that require your setup. So now, after you create the new business like this, you will proceed to set up the business details. To set up the business details, you will see from this interface, there is a summary that shows the summary of your business. Here we have balance sheet. We have profit and loss statement, but other items like other things has not been added to this particular interface. We only have assets, liability, equity, and net profit in the profit and loss statement. So therefore, we are going to come to customize in order to add more modules onto your modules here that will be useful for you. So when you click on customize here, system will take you to this place, the tab where you will add all the customized module that will be useful. Unlike the bank and cash account are useful, you tick it. Then receipt, payment. So as you are picking them, they are adding to the modules at your left side. So we look at it and you look at the one that is relevant to the kind of a business that you want to set up. So let's just pick some of it now. So after you have picked the ones that you think that it is relevant to the kind of business that you want to set up, you click update. So when you click update, it will give you all these modules here for you to use for the business setup. So for you now to set up the business details, you go to settings. Then from settings, you will see business detail. You will see chart of accounts and date and number format. So in this tutorial, we only want to cover business details. So in the next tutorial, we are going to cover the chart of account and every other things in the setup, in the settings. So now let's go by the business setup. So here in the business setup, your name, the business name has already been inserted as a inside company. So but you are required to put your business name here. So let me just copy this name and insert it here as your business name. And then under the address, you will type in your address 1, just for you to know what the address is all about. Number 25 Hope Avenue. So this is how you type all your business addresses there. Now if you have like a picture or image that you want to reflect on your business setup, you can click browse and insert it here. So part of the address here, if you want to add to this place, you can put in your phone number. You can put in your phone number as you deem fit. So you put in your phone number, because the business address and name that you put here will appear on your receipts by the time you start posting your business transaction. So after you have inserted all your business details here like this, you will click on update. So when you click update, that ends the tutorial we want to have today. That is how to add new business and set up business detail. Another thing I want to point your attention to is when you click the new business, you will see one question mark here. This question mark is there to take you to the details of what this business details entails. When you click on it, it will take you to where you will read more about the new business, new details. So if you look at it now, the new details form located under the settings. So all the things that you need to know about the new details, the guide that the manager already provide, you will see it there. So it will help you also to locate some of these things. So this come to the end of the tutorial. So I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.